Hi everyone. In this video, I'll talk about investing for nurses in Canada and talk about the importance of investing. I've been investing steadily for the past year ever since I graduated nursing school, and I was surprised to find that so many of my colleagues are unaware of how to invest or what they should put their money in. I'll preface by saying that this is my experience as a registered nurse and not a financial advisor. You should always seek advice from a financial advisor. In this channel, I talk about all aspects of nursing. If you're interested in learning more about what it is like being a registered nurse, please consider subscribing. I also would appreciate it if you'd give the video a thumbs up if it has brought you any value. Lastly, be sure to check out the description box where I have links to free ebooks I have created and some interesting products for nurses or nursing students. With that being said, let's get on with today's video. Investing is probably the best way to achieve financial freedom. Whether you invest in real estate or the stock market, the sooner you do it, the better you will be in the long run. Now, of course, if you're working as a full-time registered nurse in BC, you know that our pension is one of the best in Canada. However, why not live even better in retirement by investing our money now? All right, so let me share my experiences investing in the stock market, which is my preference as I do not have enough money to even consider to invest in real estate properties yet. In all seriousness, let's talk about tax-free savings account. There is a great way for young adults to put money in and have it grow over time tax-free. Basically, a TFSA is an account that allows you to invest in stocks, and any growth that the stock has, you do not pay any tax on it. Now in the US, there's something similar such as the Roth IRA, but I'm not too familiar with that as I live in Canada. Here's how you invest in the stock market from a TFSA. So I use Questrade to invest. If you're interested in using this brokerage, check the link in the description box below. Using this link to sign up will give you $25 if you invest $1,000. I use Questrade rather than major banks like RBC, TD, or ScotiaBank because they have much lower fees for buying and selling stocks than the major banks do. So essentially, you have to create a TFSA account within Questrade. Then you have to add Questrade as your payee from your major bank. Then transfer funds from the major bank that you have into the TFSA account. Once you do that, you go into your TFSA account and now you're able to purchase stocks. Now TFSA accounts have some restrictions and limits to them. Check the link down below for a contribution calculator, which is based on your age. Basically, at the age of 18, you get a set contribution amount each year that you can contribute to your TFSA. It gets complicated, so I have a link to a calculator. Just put in your date of birth and it will tell you how much your contribution room is. So once you have money into that account, you can purchase stocks. I chose to invest in stocks because it is relatively easy and you can make money while doing nothing. Now, there are many different companies, exchange traded funds, or mutual funds you can invest in. However, to make it simple, I invest in an ETF, which is a bunch of stocks put into one. The ETF that I'm invested in is XIU or XIC. I'm invested in both. ETFs, or exchange traded funds, are a great way for people to grow wealth because you essentially make money over time without doing any work. You put your money into that stock and into the market and just let it sit there. You get a dividend payment every few months, and over the years go by, the stock market generally rises in value, and so does your money. To give you perspective how powerful this is, let's say you invested in XIC ETF 10 years ago. 10 years ago, one stock of XIC was valued at $21.62. After 10 years, each stock of XIC is now worth $28.51. That means that if you put $5,000 10 years ago, you would have made $1,593 for doing nothing. That isn't even considering the dividends it pays you each year, which is approximately 2.4% per stock for the entire year. That means as the stock value goes up, you will also get a higher dividend. This makes it a great way to increase your passive income absolutely tax-free. Anyways, I didn't want to make this video too long. I wanted to raise awareness about the various benefits of investing in the stock market. I think it is incredibly valuable to invest your money in the stock market early in life, as it will increase in value over time. I have been quite successful in my investments, and I would love to share them with you guys if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know if you're invested in the stock market or want me to make more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.